Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Geeta Hair again. This is a packaging, the usual. I got the wig, of course. I got an information card or booklet, with hair care and all those stuff. A pair of HD wig caps, a pair of lashes, and a Geeta elastic headband. This is today's wig. This is a gorgeous 13x6 bleach knot HD lace wig. This is 28 inches long and it is 250% in density. This is already pre-bleached, pre-plucked. Oh my gosh, guys, can I tell you how flawless this wig is? I wish you could feel this. It's super soft, super silky, and I did not get a lot of shedding. Like, look at the lace, perfectly bleached. Like, you don't have to worry about doing any of that once you receive this wig. It has a adjustable elastic band on the inside for added security. There's a total of 4 combs on the inside and 2 adjustable straps in the back. Yeah, so this elastic band is pretty secure. As you can see, I'm pulling on it and stuff. And this is the texture. As I said, Bodywave, a 1B natural color, and it's gorgeous. So I'm just gonna go ahead, slip this on, get to installation. You guys know the vibes. So look at that hairline. Oh my gosh, absolutely stunning. Love how they took their time to make this look so natural and flawless. It is a 10. I went ahead and cut away the extra lace, just that it wasn't in my eye, so I could install it comfortably. And yeah, so as you can see, I definitely need to take off some extra lace at the ear portion so that it can sit comfortably around the area. So once I went ahead and cut away the extra lace, everything sat perfectly around the hairline. I was getting pretty close so you guys can see how beautiful and undetectable the knots are. I went ahead and I did a glue install today. I got my hold me down glue from Erica J's line, and I did actually 3 layers of this. I just didn't show all of it on camera, just show the first layer because it's basically me repeating the same thing over and over 3 times. So I apply that and wait until the glue is clear before I apply the lace to the area. You want to ensure that, because if you don't, then the residue is going to show a lot and that's not going to look good. So yeah, I pretty much just focused on that in this portion. So let's just play some music.
Got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know when my heart beat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I've been with you. When you kiss me, it's like.
So I went ahead, did my makeup, guys. You see this beat? Oh my gosh, you guys need to go check out this makeup tutorial. It's now live on my channel. Yeah, so go check that out. I did a full glam look. Oh, this look is still, oh my gosh, it gets me every time. But yeah, so check that out. The link is down below. So I'm just moving on to the whole styling portion of this wig today. Guys, I opted to do no swoops, no baby hairs. I know you guys love that. Okay, yeah, so I'm doing a half up, half down vibe, but I also wanted to do like 2 pieces of bang in the front. Guys, tell me that's not my scalp. That looks just like my scalp. They bleached this wig, this lace to perfection. I love that. I didn't have to apply any concealer, any foundation, none of that to the lace portion to like for the parting to let it look more like scalp. you know, so I absolutely love that. I did use a little bit of powder to camouflage the very front, the cast that is when you guys saw me applying it with the glue earlier on. But yeah, I didn't need to use any more product, so I love that. So as I said, I'm doing a half up, half down vibe. So I'm doing the ponytail right here, and I just wanted an effortless kind of bun, and that's what I'm getting into. And you're gonna see it's easier to watch and kind of follow what I'm doing. The wig, 10 out of 10. You guys can definitely opt to go ahead and explore and do different kind of hairstyles because the lace space does permit that. So you see the lace, I feel like it's so perfect for a special occasion. You know, you want to do a wig, but you don't want the lace to be too obvious. This is definitely your wig. Okay, Geeta been on top of their game. I have to commend them. They're doing lovely with the quality of their wigs.
Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby. Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. This is how the wig is looking after I refresh those curls. I was feeling this, guys. I didn't plan on going out on this day, but after creating this look, what do you mean? Stay home, which part? No, I found somewhere to go. We went out and we ate. Okay, I had to. What? Yeah, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so please go ahead, check that out. Get this wig for yourself. You know, it's back to school time, you know, we're approaching fall. This is the perfect length for the colder months, and Geeta did their thing. Okay, movement on 10. Love it. If there's any discount code, any deals, that will be listed as well. That's it for today. Hope you guys found this informative. If you like the look and all, go ahead, give me a thumb up. Don't forget to share the video. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. That's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.